Our local brand Cherry Mobile has made one of their best gaming phones so far. I'm Cholo Tolentino and let's talk about it. Cherry has finally unveiled its first 5G phone for the Philippines, and it looks like the Aqua SV might be one of the best gaming phones to come out from the local brand in a long time. The box doesn't necessarily scream gamer, but it does have a lot of design points to make it look advanced and modern. You get a bunch of awesome features on the back as well for a really easy read. As for the design of the phone, gustong gusto ko ito. Definitely one of, if not my favorite look from the brand so far. We got ours in green, and the back panel has this leather-like material and feel. We have curved edges on the back and on the screen as well, and it feels great to hold in the hands, especially for longer gaming sessions. There are no buttons on the left, but the power button and the volume rockers are on the right. Below we have the speakers, SIM card tray, and USB-C port. And we also have a full review up here in case you want to hear the full sound sample or more. Now we also get gorgeous visuals thanks to its curved 90Hz OLED panel, and OLED is always a feature we appreciate and is steadily becoming a norm for phones in general. You're getting better looking colors than a standard LCD panel, and of course deeper blacks. So aside from your favorite shows or music videos, it'll be a huge treat for gaming, because you know how some games are all about the visuals sometimes. The Cherry Aqua SV is a solid choice for gamers thanks to its fairly powerful Mediatek Dimensity 810. We've already reviewed the phone last year rocking the same processor, and to be fair, it performed fairly well for what it was. But will the Cherry Aqua SV get the same high marks when it comes to gaming? Let's find out. For our gaming test with the Aqua SV, we used GameBench to measure metrics for the games we tested: Asphalt 9, Apex Legends Mobile, which is very new, and Genshin Impact. For the settings, we maxed out the graphics on both Asphalt 9 and Apex Legends Mobile, while we tested Genshin Impact on both low and medium graphics settings. We also pit the Aqua SV against the Poco M4 Pro 5G and the Infinix Zero 5G, two of its closest rivals, to see how they fare when it comes to gaming. Starting off with Asphalt 9, it's interesting to see that despite the Dimensity 810 being more of a mid-range 5G processor, we managed to run the game in 60 FPS, and do so with flying colors. Running Apex Legends Mobile was a flawless experience on the Aqua SV. At ultra graphics and high FPS, hitting the 40 FPS cap is a walk in the park. Things get interesting when it comes to Genshin Impact. While the Poco M4 Pro 5G was struggling running the game at low graphics despite also using a Dimensity 810 processor, we were able to run Genshin Impact comfortably at medium graphics while blasting our way through mobs, and even managed to push the graphics on high and still get acceptable performance. So it looks like the Dimensity 810 is more optimized on the Cherry. Compared to the Infinix Zero 5G, which uses the newer Dimensity 900 processor, we're impressed at how the Aqua SV was able to match the Zero 5G in running Genshin Impact at medium graphics. However, the Aqua SV is able to beat both the Zero 5G and the M4 Pro 5G for being able to run Asphalt 9 at 60 FPS, even when setting the graphics to high. The Aqua SV's performance in Asphalt 9 is better than the M4 Pro 5G's despite using the same processor, which again means that it was just more properly optimized on the Aqua SV. Overall, Cherry did a good job when choosing the right set of internals: a Dimensity 810, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. This makes it both 5G capable and decent enough for heavy gaming. And that's right, this phone comes with 5G connectivity, so that means if your area supports it, you'll be able to enjoy lightning-fast internet for watching videos, downloading files, and of course, for playing your favorite games. There are more and more gaming phones dropping on the regular, and it's always nice to see how well a local brand like Cherry Mobile can contend with the tough competition. I've said this before, but Cherry knows what the typical Filipino user and gamer wants or needs in their gaming phones, so they know what to deliver and what to properly optimize. I'd like to think that's why the processor on the Cherry Aqua SV ran way better than expected. and you can grab one for 11,999 pesos, which is super sulit for everything you're getting, especially performance. You can check out more reviews on our website, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Once again, it's Cholof Unbox, and I'll see you guys in the next one.